went into the creation of an entire portable to transportable type of products. It allows for versatility, mobility, and it allows for control over your operations. The portable systems are versatile in the sense that we very much targeted mining, primary metals, construction, plastics and composites, and food processing. 85 to 90% of the industry needs can be answered from our smallest product line, the Lifetime, all the way up to the portable unit called the Elevator. So if we were to sequence them, it'd be the Lifetime, the DVR, the DVP, the PL, and the EL. So there's 5 product lines in the portable units.
The DuroVac series is comprised of 2 of my favorite vacuums. One is the DVR and the other is the DVP. The difference is very simple. The DVR stands for DuroVac Regenerative, and the DVP stands for DuroVac Positive Displacement. And that's just referring to the type of blower that we're putting on each vacuum. The easiest way to differentiate that is everyone's used either a shop vac or a central vac at the house, and when you try to pick up too much material at one time, like you stick the hose in a pile, you hear the vacuum running but no work gets done. Well, that's called deadheading. That's what can happen with a regenerative type blower. They're designed for a lot of airflow, but they can't take a heavy load. Positive displacement is just the opposite. It wants the same amount of airflow no matter what. If you put a hose into a pile with a positive displacement blower, that system is going to start pulling harder and harder. They can pull up to 7 times its unloaded value to keep that material flowing. So it has an immense amount of capacity and ability to pull a heavy material, and it'll actually make that pile disappear. So the DVR is designed for a lighter material, bulk density up to maybe 40 or 50 pounds per cubic foot. Great for multi-user, single operator, for light, heavy-duty housekeeping, light to average density materials. The DVP, that's the unit we want to pull out when we have really heavy materials. So you got a bulk density of like sand, 80 to 100 pounds a cubic foot. Steel shot, 200 to 300 pounds a cubic foot. Another application where you want to use the DVP is when you're trying to pull material a long distance. If you're going 200 to 300 feet with material, you're definitely going to want to use a DVP in that instance. Both the DVR and the DVP are designed as multi-purpose machines. They can be used as portables. They can be turned into central vacs simply by connecting them to a piping system for single operator or multi-operator. These vacuums just have a great range of applications that they can be.
We've crafted this product line and delivered it to the market to make sure that it's a one-stop shop that will answer 85% of the market needs. These systems are delivered to you as a customer without an afterthought of trying to sell you a spare part. That's why our cost of maintenance is second to none in the market.
We're going to put a 2-year warranty on the filter bags. You don't have to do anything special. It's just part of our brand promise. But I'd almost bet though that you're probably not going to be changing out those filters after 2 years. What I see more often is they're going to last you 3, 4, 5. They may last you 10 years. The way DuroVac looks at filters is the cost of ownership. A lot of our competition, you're changing out the filters after 2 to 4 months. They want to make a lot of money selling filters over and over again. We call that planned obsolescence. We see that as the enemy. So by us putting a 2-year warranty on our filters and knowing that the filters are going to last you realistically 3, 4, maybe even 5 years or more, that's definitely delivering on the brand promise. And that's going to make a lot of people happy. The operators are going to be happy because all they have to do is turn the vacuum on and they get to go clean and it works. The maintenance guy is happy because he never gets called by the operator and saying, hey, this vacuum doesn't work because the filters need to be changed. The CFO and the accountants are happy because they're not having to order filters. Our famously tough vacuums are going to make your entire team happy.